Everyone, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Andrew, and today we're going to make Madeleines, a French mini sponge cake that looks like a seashell. They come in all different flavors, but today we're going to make the classic lemon and vanilla flavor. So let's go over the ingredients and we can get started. Here we have 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 1/2 cups of flour plus 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 2 sticks of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 4 eggs. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Next, grease a pan that is specifically made for Madeleines with either Pam spray or a light tasting olive oil. Cream the butter in a bowl of a standing mixer for 1 to 2 minutes until it is light and fluffy. Add the sugar about a teaspoon at a time while creaming together with the butter. Once the sugar has been added, add your eggs one at a time. Then add in the lemon zest and the vanilla and beat them in well. Just like the sugar, add the flour in a few spoonfuls at a time. This will help your cookies to come out lighter and fluffier. Once that everything has been mixed in, scrape down the sides of the bowl just to make sure all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed in. Place a teaspoon of batter into each of the Madeleine molds and then bake in the oven at 400 degrees for 7 to 10 minutes until they are golden brown. Once the Madeleines come out of the oven, let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Now that the cookies are done, let's give them a taste. They have a great lemon and vanilla flavor and they're delicious. Thank you for watching In the Kitchen with Andrew. For the measurements and instructions on this recipe, you can check the description box below or check out my Instagram or Twitter page. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, happy baking!